Hey YouTube, USA Second Amendment here with another video for you guys on the new F-150. As you can tell by the title, I'm going to be putting a decal or window sticker on the back glass to my truck. So it came in this triangular box. This was from Amazon. This is the sticker itself. It's just black. No, I'm joking. There's a design on it. I'll show you that in a little bit. And then these are the instructions that it came with. I am not going to read these, but if you want, you can obviously pause. Okay, so first step, I got to clean the glass. All right, guys. I got it laid out. Obviously, I just unrolled it. So that's the design. You guys can see it's the American flag actually in the shape of an eagle, and it's a little bit battle worn. So hopefully it looks really good. I got the glass all cleaned up, nice and shiny. So I'm going to get it lined up, taped up. Basically, you use some painter's tape, line it up, make sure you get everything centered and all that. And then you peel it back to the middle, cut off the backing, and then you get a little squeegee, which I just have an old card, actually a old Sam's Club card, and you just start squeegeeing it on there. All right, stay tuned. Next video should. All right, guys. I know I said the next one would be the final product, but I lied. Wanted to show you guys how I did this. So on the instructions, it says fold the decal in half this way, lengthwise, and put a little crease right there in the top, only about a ½ an inch or an inch, and then you can line that up with the center of the truck. No, you don't have to measure the truck. In the brake light, at least in mine, let me show you guys here. There is, I don't know if you guys can see it. There it is, a little dimple right there, right in front of my finger. Okay, that's the center. That's where the crease was, and that's where I lined it up with. Okay, and then I just brought it out to the side, put a piece of tape over there, piece of tape over there. The hardest part, far as visually right now for me, is making sure that it is level and not tilted, you know, this side up or that side down or vice versa. So, all right, guys, it is done. All installed. Took me a little bit. There were some hard parts. The directions said fold it back from the left and then cut the back off and then put that side on first and then fold it back from the right. Pull the rest of that backer off and then put that side on. The problem I ran into with that is that the wrap went down between the cab and the bed. Okay, it actually went down here probably a good 2 or 3 inches. So when I went to pull back on the left, you couldn't do it because it was stuck in between the cab and the bed. I hope that makes sense. So what I ended up doing was pulling it all up from the bottom. Okay, I cut the backer at about halfway, then I squeegeed down the bottom half all the way across. Then I pulled the top back, took off the backer, and then I squeegeed it up all the way across. Just take your time, get out any air bubbles. I actually got 2 air bubbles, and I was able to go back and pull back the material a little bit and then get the air bubbles or the bumps out and then put it back. It's not really air bubbles because this is perforated, but it still acts the same way far as creating a crease or a ridge or a bump that you do not want there. Something else I did, this is actually the second vehicle I've done a window wrap on, and I did not do this on the original one, but I did do it on this one. So something I did, get you guys in here so you can see, is I actually wrapped, when I cut and trim, I didn't trim right here to the edge of the window. I actually trimmed up here. Okay, that's just pollen. No, my truck's not scratched. All right, so I actually cut up here, and then I took my card and I just went up and then in. So like that, okay? Up and then in. And I just rounded this material over the glass. What that's going to do, hopefully, is prevent it from peeling. So we'll see how good that works and how well it shows up. All right, let me get off the bed of the truck, give you guys a long shot. Give me 1 second. All right, guys, so I am out of the bed of the truck. There's the final product. I think it looks good. I think it turned out pretty well. Happy with the results. We'll see how long it holds up. And that's that. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them below. Make sure you hit that like button. Please subscribe if you have not. And God bless America.